Hello everyone. Today let's make Pav Bhaji, my absolute favorite, yet again without any artificial colors but tastes just as good as a restaurant one. So without further ado, let's get cooking. You'll need 2 big onions chopped, 2 big tomatoes chopped, ginger garlic paste and some butter, 1 green bell pepper chopped, all your vegetables, potatoes, carrots, beetroot, cauliflower and green peas, some coriander leaves chopped, fenugreek leaves or Kasuri methi, some Kashmiri chilli powder, normal chilli powder, turmeric powder and Pav Bhaji masala. Heat a pan and add some oil. Then add in some butter, as much as you need. The more the better actually. To this add some cumin seeds or jeera. Then we will add some chopped onions. Give it a good mix. Saute them nicely and then add in your ginger garlic paste. Fry them in oil just for a minute. Then we will add in all our masalas. Give this a good mix. Now the Kashmiri chilli powder. Once you saute them nicely, add in your chopped tomatoes. Give this a good mix. Now let's add some salt as required. Add in a splash of water to make it saucy, just a tad. Mash them nicely, give them a good mix. Now we will add in our green pepper. Saute that well. Now let's add all of our vegetables. Now I'm thinking I should have used a bigger pan. Give them a good mix. Let the gravy come together with the vegetables. Add in a cup of water. And let's pressure cook this for 5 whistles because the beetroot takes a while to cook. Once done, that's how it looks. Use a masher and mash them all together while it's still hot. Take your time with it and mash them together. And we are almost done. To this we will add a tadka. Heat some oil and butter together. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Add in your Kasuri methi. Some coriander leaves. Give them a good mix. Add this tadka to your mashed vegetables or bhaji. You could use amchur powder or chaat masala, or just squeeze half a lime into this at this stage or while serving. Add in more coriander leaves chopped. Mix them all together. And that's it. Your homemade bhaji is ready. It has no artificial colors, but it tastes just as good as the restaurant serves. Now in a pan, heat some butter. Add a pinch of Pav Bhaji masala, coriander leaves, and heat your pav. And that's it. Your homemade delicious Pav Bhaji is ready. It's nutritious, it's yummy. Please do try and let me know. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.